my God, I look horrendous. Well, hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome back. I don't know what I'm gonna make this video. I don't know if it's gonna be a vlog. I don't know what it's gonna be. But anyway, it's about your girl taking care of herself. Y'all, the nails need to be done. My eyebrows need to be done. And you don't want to know what's up under here, okay? This definitely needs to be done. I'm gonna get my lashes done today. I got a wax appointment. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on my journey when I just try to get my glow up. I gotta get my glow back. I gotta get my glow up on. I gotta get all cute and stuff. I gotta get real cute. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna go on this journey today. Right now, it's still early morning, which is good. It's raining outside today. It sucks, but it's supposed to clear up. So I'm just gonna have my cup of coffee, continue doing my morning routine, and yeah, y'all, we're gonna get this party started very, 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 very soon, because I have a lot of stuff to do, like a whole lot of stuff to do today. I need to go to Walmart. I need to stop by the bank. I need to, like I said, get my nails done, my toes done, my lashes done, my eyebrows done. Then I have a wax appointment, and then I have a hair appointment. So I got lots of I got to do today, which is okay because I've been looking forward to this. So yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, y'all. So you know how you about to get ready to go and you ready to do your thing for the day and whatever. So I'm like, oh yes, I'm gonna start my day, because currently it is 11:07. Okay, it's 47 degrees out here. So this is how I'm gonna start my day. I'm trying to time myself, see how much I can get done today. But I'm all ready to go and excited, and then I get in my car and why I ain't got no gas? I hate this. So thankfully the first place we finna go is to the bank, and I think I can make it to the bank. No, actually on my way to the bank I'm past the gas station, so I'm gonna get some gas. So I hate getting gas. When it's cold outside, I do. So we gotta stop by the gas station. Then we're gonna go to the bank. So let's get this party started, because your girl, I'm ready to get my glow up on. I'm ready to do the damn thing. Y'all, let me ask you a question. This is a man question. So this right here is very permissible. This right here is, permissible with my man, okay? He's okay with this. This is fine. It don't look bad. It's okay. I can't walk out the house, y'all, with no do-rag on or no goddamn bonnets. He hates that. He hates it so bad. Like, the do-rags and the bonnet, he can't stand it, y'all. He can't stand it. How y'all man is, y'all? Is he, you got a man that can't stand the do-rags, the bonnets, or do he like the scars? He may not like the scars, but this right here is permissible with my man. But other than that, he can't stand it, y'all. But anyway, let me go ahead and get my day started so I can get my glow up going. So I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see, when I can't seem to carry on. I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm, I'll still believe.
Your girl is feeling good already, okay? I'm feeling so dang on good, y'all. Oh my gosh, like, whoo. So I am trying to burn the road up, because my appointment with the waxes at 2, y'all. It's 142. Your girl got her nails done, y'all. Got my eyebrows done. Lashes on fleek. Yes, y'all see I got my feet done. That feels so good. Get my toes done. And y'all, let me tell y'all, I was just sitting in the chair after I got through doing my nails, my lashes, and my eyebrows. I was waiting on the chair to come available so I can get my toes done. So I'm looking at my mess. I'm looking at my phone. I check my cash out. Y'all, my man sent me some money, y'all. Ain't nothing like getting some unexpected money from your man. You hear me talking to you? Y'all, I was so happy. I almost cried. I was like, I called him. I was like, oh, babe, thank you so much. That was so sweet, y'all. That just really, that really put me in a better spirit, okay? Ain't nothing like getting some money from your man, honey. Woo, I was like, because I wasn't even expecting it, but that was so sweet of him. And if you watching, thank you, babe. I appreciate it. So, yeah, y'all, we are about to get to this dang on wax appointment. And so, I have got to get to this wax appointment, y'all. Like, ooh, I think I'm going to be fine. I'm not far away. I'm maybe like, probably 20 minutes away. So I might be late, but not too late. So, yeah, y'all, the glow up is getting real. I'm getting better and better and better. I email my stylist not email. Oh my God. I got work on my mind. Email? No, I text my stylist and we're gonna do it at 4:30 instead of 4 o'clock. So that will be good because I still need to go to Walmart, y'all. And I haven't eaten anything. So I'm gonna see how I feel once I get through with the wax, whether I'm gonna give me something to eat and then just weigh it out until it's time for my hair appointment. And then after the hair appointment, go to Walmart. I'll try to squeeze in my Walmart time before my hair appointment. It just depends, honestly, because the Walmart I want to go to is closer to the house, and that's nowhere near where I'm getting my hair done. So we'll see, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm at my wax appointment. I'll show you how the room's set up real quick, y'all. Y'all, let me tell you something. Ladies, if you're not getting a wax, you gotta try it. Try it at least one time, y'all. I love it. Oh, when I tell you I feel so much better, oh, I feel a million times better, okay? Ain't nothing like a wax, y'all. I'm gonna get bold enough to get my underarms done. So I haven't done my underarms yet, but I'm definitely going to get a wax. Now it is 2:18, y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to Walmart. I mean, this is like a 2-hour window for me to get my hair done, so I'm gonna use this time very wisely, because that way when I get to get my hair done, I can take my behind to the house, because I still have other things to do. So we are going to head to Walmart. Yes. We're gonna head to Walmart, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place my order. I think I'm just gonna get some wings. I don't want wings, but in the scheme of things, you gotta get what you gotta get. So I'll go ahead and order me some wings, and then pick them up, and we're gonna head to Walmart. So I'll see y'all next clip. Okay, y'all, I am eating me some Zaxby's because I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I went to Walmart, and I knew the Walmart in the area I am was not gonna be what I was looking for, and I didn't find anything. So I came to like a Rainbow, because I'm trying to get props, y'all. I gotta get props and stuff. So they had some stuff that I could use, but I didn't get everything. But I found something that's gonna make all of my looks come together. So it's serious. It is 3:48. My hair appointment was at 4:30. She told me I can come at 4:30. So, and I'm only like 15 minutes away from her. No, I am starving. Like, the only thing I had today was some coffee this morning. A banana. Banana at 2 something. And I am tearing this chicken up. I'm hungry. And I was debating getting this, y'all.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me.
Y'all. Girl, look at that. The glow up. Ooh, ooh. Yes, it's so pretty.
Huh? Trying to be busy tomorrow. I'm gonna be busy tomorrow. River has
So pretty, y'all.
Then go to the open house for the school. And then I have to.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. I don't know if I wanted, I don't know what was the last clip y'all seen. Y'all think y'all seen me at the shop just showing my hair. But I came home last night and I wrapped up my hair and everything. So, y'all, now today I'm going to get my makeup done. I'm going to get my makeup done and let her go ahead and beat my face really good. So I got an appointment at 11:30 right now. It is, what time is it? It's 9:05. So I gotta go get my makeup done. And then after that, go take some of these pictures. I'm gonna let you guys see some of that. And yeah, I just got to load up my car. Y'all, when you're doing a photo shoot, it's so much. It's so much. So I just got to loading up my car. So I'm just gonna sit here and chill for a little while. But I just want to pop on here and say good morning to y'all. Let you know what the day is gonna be. Makeup, photo shoot. But I really just want y'all to see how my makeup artist does my makeup. You know, since I'm doing this glow up video, transformation video, I don't know what I'm gonna title it, but yeah, I want you guys to see how she does my makeup. But anyway, I will see y'all in the next clip.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you were all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm, I'll still believe. And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free.
y'all. Look at me, y'all. Girl. Look at the face, y'all. Just look at the face. The face beat is like, it's just giving me. I'm just giving, y'all. Just giving. So yeah, y'all, this is my glow up. Girl. Your girl looks so much together. I feel so much better. I feel amazing, y'all. I feel so good. But okay, so this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my photo shoot. If you guys enjoyed this video, I may insert some clips from the photo shoot in here. I'm not really sure yet, but we shall see. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes